After enjoying a delicious meal, it's tempting to indulge in some post-meal activities that might seem harmless but can actually have adverse effects on your health. Many of us have grown up with certain habits that we should reconsider. In this video, we'll discuss 10 things you should never do after eating food, as they can negatively impact your digestion and overall well-being. 1. Smoking. Smoking is detrimental to your health in general, but lighting up right after a meal is especially harmful. Smoking can interfere with the absorption of essential nutrients, and it increases the risk of digestive disorders and even cancer. 2. Taking a nap. While a short nap can be refreshing, taking a long nap immediately after eating is not advisable. It can lead to acid reflux or indigestion, as lying down allows stomach acid to flow back into the esophagus. 3. Drinking cold water. Cold water can solidify the fats present in your food, making them more challenging to digest. Opt for room temperature water to aid digestion and prevent discomfort. 4. Eating fruit. Eating fruit right after a meal can cause bloating and digestive issues. Fruits digest faster than other foods, and consuming them immediately after a meal can lead to fermentation in your stomach. Wait at least 30 minutes before eating fruit. 5. Exercise. Engaging in rigorous physical activity immediately after eating can divert blood flow away from the digestive system, leading to slower digestion and potential discomfort. Allow at least an hour before hitting the gym. 6. Drinking tea. Tea, especially green tea, contains tannins that can inhibit the absorption of essential nutrients like iron and calcium. It's best to avoid tea for at least an hour after eating. 7. Overeating. This might seem obvious, but overeating is a common mistake people make after a meal, especially if it was particularly delicious. Overindulgence can lead to indigestion, heartburn, and weight gain. Practice mindful eating and stop when you're comfortably full. 8. Using a straw. Drinking beverages through a straw can cause you to swallow air, which can lead to gas and bloating. Sip your drinks directly from the glass instead. 9. Taking antacids immediately. If you experience heartburn or indigestion, it's tempting to reach for antacids right away. However, overusing them can disrupt the natural digestive process. Try natural remedies like ginger tea or chewing gum to alleviate symptoms first. 10. Ignoring the need to move. On the flip side, sitting still for extended periods after a meal can slow down digestion. A short, leisurely walk can aid digestion by promoting the movement of food through your digestive system. Making wise choices after a meal is essential for your overall health and well-being. Avoiding these 10 common post-meal habits can help you enjoy your food more and prevent digestive discomfort. Remember to practice moderation and listen to your body's signals to ensure a healthy and comfortable post-meal experience.